In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Slides. This is a quick and essential skill that will help you organize your presentations more effectively, ensuring your ideas are conveyed clearly and professionally. So let's dive right in. To start, you want to head over to Google Slides. If you haven't already, open your browser and simply navigate to the Google Slides homepage. It's quite straightforward, just type in Google Slides in the search bar and it should pop right up as one of the first options. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. This step ensures that your presentations are saved under your profile and are accessible anytime you need to make edits or share them. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you have a couple of options to begin working on your presentation. You can choose to start fresh with a blank presentation, which is ideal if you want complete creative freedom. Alternatively, Google offers a range of themes that you can select from if you're looking for a visually consistent layout without worrying about design details. For this tutorial, either option works. Just go ahead and click on blank presentation or pick a theme that suits your project. Once you've made your choice, your new slide should open up, ready for you to start adding content. Now it's time to select the text that you want to transform into a bulleted list. Click on the text box within your slide where you intend to list your points. If you have text already entered, simply highlight the section you want to bullet. If the text box is empty, you can start typing your content directly into it. With your text selected, you just need to locate the toolbar at the top of the page. It contains a variety of formatting options designed to enhance your presentation's appearance. Look for the button resembling a small list of dots or dashes. This is the bullet list icon. Click on it and you'll instantly see each line of your selected text transformed into a neat and organized list of bullet points. As a quick tip, if ever you want to customize the appearance of those bullets, you can explore further options in the same toolbar. You can change the style of the bullets to suit your presentation theme or personal preference, ensuring everything looks just right. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've mastered how to add bullet points to any slide in your Google Slides presentation. This technique not only helps in creating clear and concise slides, but also aids in engaging your audience more effectively. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be crafting presentations with ease and professionalism. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.